Welcome to the Plastic Lumber Store's gun rack video. I've had a few people ask me how to put these together, and we included instructions in the box, but I wanted to do a video just so you could see it live and kind of, as you get it out of the box, how it's going to look. So if you can kind of see, we've got all the pieces set out on the table. This is the barrel rest that's going to come as one unit. You're going to get 2 units of the top part of the rack. Normally they're just going to be plain like this, but if you did ask for engraving, then you're going to get something that looks more like this. You've got choices of white, yellow, black for your lettering. Of course, you've always got choices of different colors for an additional upcharge on the gun rack itself. But our standard model, is going to be a gray, dark gray type feature. Then you're going to get a couple of braces that go in between the sides that keep it at a 15 degree or a 10 degree angle, sorry. And then the 4 sides, if you notice, these are also pre-drilled. The 3 that go on the bottom are a little larger to accommodate that. Then there's 2 on the top. And then finally, this is the base of the unit that is going to have the gun stock rest here at the bottom. If you requested it, this is going to be included as well. This is a plug fixer for your shotgun. If you have a shell that gets stuck in the barrel, this can be included with the gun rack, so you can pop those out as well. But let me lay one out for you just to kind of show you how this is going to go together. Okay, you're going to put the base flat on the ground. I'm kind of building this on its back. The 2x4 would go up. This side has the 3 holes in it, and so it's going to be placed right here on the outside. Put these 2 out of the way. That's placed on the outside. This is put together. This is basically what a side's going to look like, and you're just going to put your screws in here from the side, and then once this is all together, you're going to stand it up. This angle is going to go on both sides, in between the 2 sides, to make kind of an A-frame, and it's that piece right at the bottom for the A-frame, and you'll screw that in. There's some pre-drilled holes for you as well. And then once those are together, you're going to put 4 screws in the position that you would like, that would hold that top together. And then the last thing is going to be to put this up on top and screw this in 2 or 3 or 4 places to give you a final resting spot for your barrels. But that's really all that's involved with this. I didn't actually build it on screen here to go all the way through the process, because I think you guys are probably all pretty good engineers yourself. You may want to make slight modifications to it, but you're going to have a rack that's going to last you the rest of your life. This is recycled plastic. It can sit outside in all the elements, all the weather. These weigh 56 pounds a piece. It's not going to slide or tip over or, dump your guns. So rest assured that this is probably the best bulletproof solution that you have out on the market. So thanks for watching. If you got any questions, call us 937-561-8888, or you can email us, David@plasticlumberstore.net. Thanks again. Take care.